Hi, my name is Vishanthan Nair, and today I would like to present our computer programming project titled MMU Airport Management System. This project is a console-based C++ application that is designed to simulate and manage basic airport operation in a simple and efficient way. The system focuses on core functionalities such as flight management, passenger management, and reservation handling. Through this project, users are able to interact with the system using a menu-driven interface to perform different airport related operations. The reason we choose this is we choose an airport management system because it represents a real world application where multiple components work together. So in this presentation, I will show, and my friends also will show the program interface, explain the main features of the system, and briefly demonstrate how the application works from a user's perspective. And this is gonna help illustrate how our program manage airport operation in clear and organized manner.
Today I'm presenting the C++ code project for the airline management system. This lab is used here, and this for the user's system, and this clear 16. All this for function. This logo for the airline management system. We can change for another one, but we put it here. And here we can change the name. But, uh, of want. Here the classifieds. The classified is the for a part of FBB OOB. Here we can put the flight number and the s- seats for the number and available seats like that. And this public for the flight information. And here as can see this for display flight number, all this information, and this display detailed flight number, road, department day for the time, and here we can see the book, 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 book seats. This is for the name seat and casual for the seat, and here the cancel seats for the seats if you wanna cancel seats or like that. And here getters. The getters is for the get flight number and the flight number and get original or like that. And setters, the setters here we can see the price or another thing. And here the flight displays for the get line and which date and flight you wanted to be in there. And this is the second for the class passenger. And here the class passenger is this for the passenger ID, passenger name, connecting the number of or email, and here the meals accumulated from flights, and here membership tier standard, flavor, code, platinum, if you want. The display for the basic passenger information in a table format. And here the display detail the including the ID or passenger if you wanted to be fly, it's cancel the order. And here the vote for the added meals, how many meals will be flight, like that's for tier. And here we can see the of the membership tire, like how many will be the platinum or gold or silver or standard like that. And here the string for the serial release, this format ID or contact our password like that. This All this for the class passenger. This class passenger desire for the return ID, returns name, like for the reads a string line and convert in the back into a passenger object like that. This class reservation. Reservation is the class returns a flight booking and the private variables, all this unique ID and this flight number and this ID of the passenger, the booking and this the seat class and this bolic is this line for the detail constructions for seats, default values, zero seat or zero cost, if it be, and here the revision for the string. This it allows initialize it for to confirm it like that. And void display, this shows all details clearly with labels on bare line or good or detailed view or reports. And this display detailed for the table summary or reservation or or display for the summary of reservation example comment reservation ID flight passenger and this display details is against for the display. This show all details clearly with levels was wrong with this part. And the getters for the reservation for this function for return the values and private variables. For example, get total cost. This returns the total cost of the reservation. And the sitter, the void stores the seats for the allows updating the reservation to its example, confirm it or cancel it. And serialization for the code, it's convert the reservation date into a single or double for the string for saving to file. The class MMU system is the main system manager for all flights booking system. It stores and manages all flights, passenger, and reservation. It's also handled loading for and saving the files. Private members, these vectors keep all object in memory while the system runs. The vectors and passenger or like that. And the void void load flights, it's uses by the as save function, the function load date and files, and example like flight or passenger like that. The search help is the for the returns and index of the a team in the vector, and it is like -1 of not found like that. Let me see the public MMU system. This added files and calculate files ETAs from the user and check the file already and view all files and search files like multiple for the flights, one or single the someone and update file and delete file like that. All of this and passenger, oh, forget passenger management system. This added passenger view, view all passenger system. And three, we can see the passenger system function. as can you see the view all passenger and search passenger or update passenger. There is something with the screen and like that. And here this is before all for the this absolutely discount like if you have discount in the file flights for this for it and this for the functions here analyzing and reporting. What do you mean analyzing and reporting? These functions provide financial and operational and passenger analyzing for the airline system. The clean screen and the display header rank report. This clears the consoles and point and formatted report headers. And here, as can you see, the final summary this for analytic reporting. This all for the loops for the confirming booking. And here the shows the statistics, and here the clear screen and the for the system statistics. This for the like how can I see this for the shows the numbers and the flights, passenger and reservation. Uh, display overall for the system statistics, like flight or anyone. And flight stat summary is consists the flights and basic the correct states casuals, delete or cancelled or like that. This focus for the maybe for the inside the system, inside the code, this structure, the an infrastructure. And here the casual, and we can see here and see the this code, this for records that the statistics more void and waits for the user input. Here the important thing for the shows this main menu for the functions. This that's the main functions. It's important thing for the shows like as I said, this is the main menu of the system with the options like flight management, passenger and reservation management, and report analyzing and exit system. Here we can the flight system we can put enter we can put enter we can add a new flight or view or files or like this. Here we can see the second step for the void passenger. This we can add passenger and view all passenger or back to the menu or update the messenger like that. This loops enter zero is chosen. It's called the derived passenger management function. As I said, passenger of view all passenger. Rever- Reversion is the menu. This code this as like the flight and passenger. This loops until zero and is the function of can see the reversion can create a new reversion and view or reversion like that. And here we can see the report menu, vehicle report. If you have something wrong, we can contact with the company for help you. and the run finally for the run and the main functions. Main functions is create an instance of the system is display welcome message and system features and call system run unlike that. Finally, this all for the project. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I am Hamza Muhammad. Today I will present the airport managing system of our project. Let's move to the system. Okay, so here's the airport management system. It will start with welcome to MMU airport management system, and after this we have the features of our system, okay, which is comprehensive flight management and passenger registration and loyalty program, and lastly resurrection booking system. Okay, let's get started. Okay, in the beginning, as you can see, here is the main menu of the airport management system. We have 5 options here. Number 1 is flight management. Let's choose flight management. It will automatically open this new list, which is consists of 6 options. Number 1, add a new flight. Okay, here we'll ask for the detail of the flight. Let's say, for example, 2333, the number of the flight. Okay, here's the original airport. Let's assume that is in Asia. The destination to USA. Okay, the time 2026, and the month is 8 days number 2. Okay, here we'll ask for the time. Let's assume that's 12. Okay, and 6 minutes. Here's the total seats in the flight. Let's say it's 200. Okay, the price, let's say it's $420. Okay, as you can see, the flight is added successfully. Going back to the same menu to pressing number 2, view all the flights. As you can see, here is our flights, and this is the flight. We just put their details here. Okay, going back to the same menu, let's search for the flight. You can search by flight number, okay, or by flight destination. Okay, so let's search here by flight number. Okay, first we have to choose number 1 here, which is the option of searching by flight number. Okay, the flight number, as we put, is 2333. As you can see, here it is. And also you can search by destination. Okay, search by destination. Okay, our destination to USA. As you can see, here's the destination from Asia to USA, and the time and price and everything. Okay, and now let's update the flight. It will ask for the flight number first, 2333. Here, if you want to update the status or the price, or to cancel and go to the flight management menu again. Let's say we want to update the price. All right, the new price of the flight, it will be $500. Okay, price updated. And now let's check about the price again in the view all flights. As you can see here, it's 500. It's updated. Okay, and now we have the delete flight option. Flight number is 2333. Okay, it will appear confirming message first. You have to put yes, and it's deleted. Let's check about the view all flights. As you can see, there's no flights available in the system. And now let's go back to the main menu. To the second option, passenger management. Let's add a new passenger. The name, Hamza. The number, let's say 5064378. Okay. Passport number 23657. Passenger added successfully. Okay, let's check about the passenger. View all passengers here. As you can see, here is me, the ID, the name, the contact number, the passport. So let's search about the passenger now using this option. It will ask for passenger's ID first, B1000. As you can see, here is the passenger we added now, using only the ID. And let's update the passenger detail using the fourth option, passenger ID B1000. Okay, let's say we want to update the contact number. Okay, the new contact number is, let's say 01896743. Okay, contact is updated. Let's check. View all passenger, and as you can see, it's updated here. Okay, and finally we back to the menu to see how we will book. Okay, so moving to resurrection management. Okay, let's create a new resurrection. Okay, as you can see here, it will ask for the flight number. Okay, passenger ID, which is me, B1000, as we said before. Okay, select class. Okay, there's 3 class here: economy, business, first class. All right, let's choose first class. Number of seats, let's choose 1 seat. The cost will be 1000. It was 500, but it's been updated due to the first class fees. So confirm resurrection, yes, and we have resurrection here successfully. Let's view our resurrection here. As you can see, here is our flight from Asia to US. This is my ID, the ID of the resurrection, R1000, the number of the fly, the person ID. Okay, and now let's search about the resurrection here. Okay, resurrection ID are 1000. And here is our resurrection to the flight. Okay, let's go to cancel the resurrection option number 4. Resurrection ID are 1000. Okay, confirming message will be displayed. Yes, and it cancelled, so let's see the status of our resurrection here. Okay, as you can see here, it says that it's cancelled. Okay, moving to the last point, which is report and analytics. Let's check about the financial report. As you can see here, it says 0. Why it says 0? Okay, because we cancel the resurrection. Okay, if there is no resurrection, okay, you can't display the financial report. So again, let's create a new resurrection. Flight number 2333. Passenger ID P1000. Okay, first class, number of seats 1 seat, total cost 1000, confirm. Okay, and now we have a resurrection. So let's go back to the financial report. As you can see here, this our financial report for now from Asia to US. Okay, and here's the cost and date and all the details. Okay, 1 seat from the financial report. And now let's display the system statics. As you can see here, we can add too many flies, but by the moment we have 1 flight here. Total resurrections, we have two resurrections by the moment. As you can see here, it's system statics. It simply will show you every resurrection or flights in here in this report. Okay, so lastly, if the user wanna exit from the system, he will just press 0, and that's it. System shutting down. Thank you very much.